Hello, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick video to show you what I'm going to be flying outside. This is the S1S. It's done by LSRC. And let me tell you, this is a great little flyer. You'll see. Not great in the wind, but a great little flyer. In this obstacle avoidance, I have another video on that. That is impressive indoors. Still have some testing to do outside. But yes, let's move on to the video. Again, this is a great little flyer. And it takes good little videos. I got another one that has videos on this. Okay, so if you want to see any more about this, there should be another video or two on this little quad right here. And it flies pretty well. So let's get to that video. Hey, welcome to the channel. Just doing a day flight of the S1S by LSRC. We did an indoor test and it was great. So let's check this thing out. Make sure it's calibrated. Alright, let's send her up. It's a nice day out today too. Well, it's 62 degrees. See if we can trim her out a little bit. Hey, not bad. One click. You can see she's pretty stable. Let's try the off. Oh, no, don't go up and down. Pretty slow. That's okay. Nice bank. Reverse is good. This is 1, 2. Speed 1. Try speed 2. Alright, that's speed 2. A little more agile. I'll bring her in here so we can see her. Oh, sounds like the battery. Alright, let me land it and put another battery in. Alright, I got another battery in and hopefully this one's charged. But yeah. Alright, let's try speed. Oh, a little bit of wind. Let's see what she does. I'm not touching the controller. We're going to see what she does. So you can see the wind in the background. Just trying to hold it. That's 3. Not too bad. Not bad. She is definitely not wind resistant. Flew over the fence, the wind grabbed it, and it would not come back. So, otherwise, she's pretty agile, but definitely not wind resistant. But yeah, she's a great little flyer. As you can see, she flies great. It's just the wind. A little more power in this thing would be the bomb. Wonder if they pitched the blades a little better. Yeah, it has trouble with the wind bringing her back. You can see the wind's pulling on her. It's like all over the place. while. Good little flyer. Let's see, she thinks pretty good. Drifts a little bit, but that's expected. See the wind blowing it back? I'm driving her towards me, because that's the little bit of wind that's driving her back. Just trying to compensate. It's kind of funny. But otherwise, nice little flyer. I mean, it's flyable. Very flyable. As you can see, she's agile. She takes great pictures, just to let you know, too. I'm not going to take outdoor. I took an indoor picture with this. Oh, you know what I want to try? It's obstacle avoidance. Now, she's saying she's too close to me. That's why you hear that beep. I wonder if she... Oh. Let's see if she does that if I, Why is she doing that? There's no obstacles. Goes up and down, but I have no... I can't control it out here with the obstacle avoidance. Now supposedly, oh, that's my battery. Alright, try the ringer in. But anyway, that was weird. We'll have to do some more testing with her. But she's a great little flyer. And obstacle works awesome in the house, just to let you know. I don't know what it's like outside. I'm going to have to do a little more testing with it. But yeah, this is a great little flyer. Worth the money. Alright, let me put it down. Enough talking to you guys. Probably boring you to death. Again, subscribe, give me a like, comments, anything, guys.